Hello, family. So I just want to discuss my Microsoft of January 10 of my PA, and this discussion is going to be the story first, why I got in, um, and yeah. So the story is like yesterday was able to get in from here, and then I explained I was holding this, and then I got profit from here. The thing is that I already explained that I don't want to hold anymore, and I have this where, well, I have this possibility that to go back up from there, but it was in that case that I was going through then the how you say I was going through that phase of, yeah, I see this move I see this move right here and here, and yeah, I definitely took my profit over here. Okay, from there, in this area, so 630. Let me see. Did I hold it from whole area? Uh, Around 630, yes, I do take a profit from here, very early stage, and at this time, I decided went back to the 1 hour on my trades on here. So it went back down, and I was looking and reading it, and I was, well, this price is gonna go back up from this area, but it did react on this over here, release over here, and after of the market, sometime even I'm doing this trade, it's kind of a little tough because I wait for the market after market, and I had to assume that there's no volume, so I'm assuming there's some volume from here that will react from here, and I see why is the reason why I closed from this area, because I took the trade, I was making profit, but I broke half of it, the 50% in here left over, but I took it out, um, and it was not working. So it was not working at that time, and I feel like I'm feeling the momentum of the movement every aftermarket. They always give it some clue in here, but with no volume. And then yeah, I didn't want to trade in this area because this area, I think that also that also didn't want to put me as a formal area, like, oh, this is formal area. I'm glad I make that move, so I could initiate what can I do, and then also learning from this after candle things, and also just to recap, what can I do, can I trade confidently and as a demo. But it is, for now, is really, I'm not at that point is put real money in there until I get really good at it in there. But the story is there's so a chance to go for the buy, and the reason is a chance to go for a buy. How come is the buyer came back up and broke it to here, or, and then I'm looking at the weekly too. The weekly give us no, mainly it's supposed to be a monthly owner, so I will give it a P and an S. So of that move, it will be interesting to watch the S part of the monthly, and I kind of wanted to do some move in it, but in 1 hour it gotta give me something better price in here, either because it broke to that area. either ways, either way they had to give me some nice move. Um, just to go back up, just to this area or keep going to out this area. And that is the reason why I want to go for the buy, because it's been a very long time already. They from this move to and time this move, and they didn't decide to break it down to all the way to crash the market. So the point I'm watching the news too, that what they say, if they say something and they move the market, it'll be great. So right now is just a great opportunity for me to see how this plays out in this area. And yeah, but yesterday I was really tired. I didn't want to do a trade because during my workout I need a lot of recovery, and sometime I will get in a trade, but it was at workout finish and then having terrible recovery. Um, my experience is not that great because I'm not that focused in it. So right now I'm focusing. Okay, the move came up, and I'm going back to see what happened, why the move came up, and several. So that's the story of it, and yeah.